Do you know what the largest businesses in the world have in common? Here's a hint. It's not their products and it's definitely not luck. It's their undeniable skill in one crucial area, marketing. Today I'm diving deep into my ultimate marketing guide because let's face it, without a rock solid marketing plan, even the best business ideas will struggle to succeed. But don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, you'll know exactly how to attract your ideal customers without the headaches. Plus the sneaky marketing tricks that the biggest brands use to create loyal and even borderline obsessed customers. And if you stick with me to the very end, I'll share tactical step-by-step strategies that you can start using today to skyrocket your business, even if you're just getting started. But first, let's talk about where it all begins. Attracting your ideal customer. It sounds like a dream, right? Yet it's actually a skill, one that big brands use every day and one that you can master too. So how do you do it? Here is an easy trick. Think of your business like a magnet. The stronger you can pull in exactly the type of people who are looking for what you offer, the less effort it takes to make a sale. So step one is defining your ideal customer. And I mean really defining them. Don't just say, I want people who like sports or people interested in health. Get specific. You want to think about age, lifestyle, personality, the daily challenges, even their favorite ways to spend a Saturday. Really picture them. What are they doing when they need your business the most? What problems may they be thinking about? If you can dive deep into their world, you'll know exactly how to position yourself as a solution they didn't even know they needed. So step two, you want to speak to their pain points. Here's a secret about customers. Most of them aren't looking for a product. They're looking for a solution. So when you're really in tune with what's keeping them up at night, you can use that in your messaging. So instead of just talking about your product, you talk about how it solves their biggest problem. And here's the thing. Once you're clear on who you're talking to and what they need, you can craft your entire brand experience around this. Your website, social media, emails, everything should reflect the values, solutions, and vibe that resonates with them. Attracting your ideal customer is just all about showing them that you get them and that what you're offering is exactly what they've been looking for. When they see you as your go-to answer, they'll come to you willingly, easily, and ready to buy. Okay, so now let's talk about the sneaky tricks that the biggest brands use to turn casual shoppers into loyal fans. And trust me, once you see these tricks, you'll start spotting them everywhere. So let's start with this powerful trick that all the brands use, and it's exclusivity. Think about companies like Apple or Supreme. They don't just sell products. They create hype by making their products feel rare and hard to get. The biggest brands in the world sometimes will tease products that they have no intentions on releasing, or they'll even make you wait in line so that when you finally get your hands on their products, it feels like you're a part of an exclusive club. Now, the psychology behind this is rather simple but highly effective. When there's a chance we might miss out on something, we suddenly want it even more. The scarcity effect hooks customers and actually makes them more loyal because they feel they've earned that exclusive product. So how does this work in the online space? So I want you to think about limited edition drops, countdown timers, and member-only access. These are things you've probably seen before that make you feel like you're getting something unique. Brands know how to bring that same only a few left, act fast type of energy to the digital world. The secret is to use this scarcity effect online with exclusive digital events and limited time offers. Try launching a new product to just your email list before it hits your public store, or giving exclusive access to a private Discord. This all just builds a sense of rarity and privilege. And here's where things get really powerful. Countdowns and limited time sales. Adding a timer to your website that counts down to the end of an exclusive offer really creates urgency. Customers will feel pressure to not miss out on that special deal, creating some serious FOMO. Now, sure, it might feel a bit sneaky, but it works. People are wired to respond to scarcity and exclusivity. So if you're really looking to create some serious hype, don't just sell products, create an exclusive experience. Make sure your customers feel like they're getting something rare and special, because when they do, they'll keep coming back for more. So for this next powerful tool, let's talk about the magic of personalization. You know how Netflix seems to know exactly what shows you'll binge next, or how Amazon recommends products that you didn't even know existed, but of course now you need. These brands are honestly masters of making you feel seen and understood. And when a brand seems to know you better than you know yourself, it creates this powerful bond. Like you're not just a customer, but you're a VIP. It's not some mind-reading superpower though. This is all thanks to smart algorithms. These brands are literally analyzing every single thing you do, from what you watch or buy to what you click on, or even what you don't buy. And they are using that data to create a shopping experience that almost feels magical. Take Amazon, for example. It literally tracks your every move, what you search for, what you've purchased in the past, even what you almost bought. Then it delivers personalized suggestions that feel just right, like it's reading your mind. And it's not just about convenience. It's about making you feel understood, like Amazon has your back. So how can you use this same thing into your own online business? You want to start leveraging your customer data to create personalized experiences to make your audience feel like you're speaking directly to them. Whether it's personalized emails, product recommendations, or targeted offers. When customers really feel like you get them, that bond becomes unbreakable and they'll keep coming back for more. But now I want to share with you the final and maybe the sneakiest trick of them all: emotional connection. Let's take Nike, for example. They're not just selling shoes, they're selling a mindset. Their Just Do It campaign isn't about products. It's about the story of perseverance, greatness, and pushing past your limits. When you buy Nike, you're not just buying another pair of shoes, you're buying into a story. You're stepping into a lifestyle. You're saying to yourself subconsciously, I can achieve anything. And that emotional pull, well, it doesn't just make you a customer, it makes you a part of something even bigger. So how do you tap into that same kind of connection for your online business? The key is to go far beyond the product and tap into the why behind what you do. It's about telling a story that resonates with your customers on an emotional level. So let's break it down. First, think about the emotional core of your brand. Are you empowering people to live healthier? Are you helping people solve a long-standing problem or making their dreams come true? Once you know exactly what your brand stands for, use your website, social media, and emails to share that story. Show your customers how your product or service can make them feel stronger, smarter, more confident, or connected. Next, get your customers involved in the story. Share testimonials, behind-the-scenes moments, or user-generated content that shows real people living out the mission of your brand. Ultimately, this builds community around your products where customers feel like they're not just buying from you, they're joining a movement. When people connect emotionally with your brand, they don't just buy from you, they believe in you. They feel like they're a part of something bigger. And you see, that kind of loyalty is priceless. If you want to build lifelong fans and keep them coming back, tap into those emotions. Never be afraid to tell your story. Make your customers feel like they belong and watch your online business soar. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, I really hope that you're getting value. And if so, if you can hit that like button, I would really greatly appreciate it. And as promised, I'm going to share with you step-by-step strategies to help you explode your online business growth. Whether you're a digital marketing pro or you're just getting started, the strategies I'm about to cover should help. Now, the first strategy that you want to leverage is email and SMS marketing. Picture your email and SMS marketing like a highly trained sharpshooter, precise and timely, delivering personalized messages that hit the target every time. With this strategy, you're reaching customers right where they are, on their phones or in their inboxes, with personalized offers and reminders that make them feel like VIPs. Triggered emails, abandoned cart reminders, SMS alerts for exclusive deals, and follow-ups after purchase can transform casual browsers into loyal fans. When deployed with precision, this channel builds long-term relationships that lead to repeat sales. Strategy number 2, social media marketing. Social media is your savvy butterfly, creating a buzz and spreading brand awareness far and wide. It's more than just posts and tweets. It's where you tell your story and engage with your audience. Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you want to be interacting and sharing content. And you want to make sure that you're posting on a variety of mediums, whether that's posting on your stories, posting on your feed, or even going live. This all builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. By showing up where your audience spends their time, you're secretly guiding them along their purchase journey, planting seeds that eventually blossom into sales. Now, the next strategy that you want to leverage is paid ads. Now, if I'm being honest, paid ads are really the heavy hitter in your tool belt. Paid ads can really give you an instant boost within your sales efforts. With paid ads, you're putting your brand directly in front of potential customers that are actively searching for what you sell. Google ads can capture really high intent shoppers, while social media ads can engage customers by demographic, interest, or behavior. This strategy really amplifies your visibility and funnels more traffic straight to your website, quickly turning interest into purchase with a laser-focused targeting. Now, the next strategy you can leverage is influencer marketing. Influencers are like energetic guides showing your potential customers how your product fits into their lives. They can really add a layer of trust and reliability by showing how they use your products. Partnering with the right influencers means tapping into their loyal followings, which boosts your credibility and reaches new audiences authentically. An influencer's endorsement can be the little nudge someone needs to try your brand. Think of influencer marketing as word of mouth on a massive, targeted scale, perfect for generating curiosity and encouraging immediate sales with a personal touch. Now, this next strategy is my favorite: SEO. SEO is the quiet, tireless navigator guiding potential customers to your website without them even realizing it. With a strong SEO strategy, your site shows up for the right searches, meaning customers find you naturally as they look for solutions. Through keyword research, optimized content, and a well-structured website, you're putting your brand right in the path of your ideal customer. As they search for products and information, they find your site as the answer, steadily driving more traffic and increasing sales. Think of SEO as an investment that quietly builds momentum over time, making sure customers keep coming your way. Now, the real magic happens when all these channels work together. Your SEO attracts organic traffic, which is nurtured by retargeting ads and social media content. Influencers can introduce your products to new customers who sign up for your emails and SMS special deals. Finally, targeted emails nudge them to complete their purchase or return for more. When these strategies align, they really form an unstoppable sales engine. At this point, I've shared with you my ultimate marketing guide, but you have one big problem. Before you start implementing these strategies, there's one critical concept you need to understand. Without grasping this next piece of the puzzle, nothing I shared will truly work for you. So check out this next video right here to learn what this critical piece is and how to solve it.